What to do if there's a fire in the tunnel. If you spot smoke or fire behind you, keep driving out of the tunnel and don't turn back. If you see smoke or fire in the tunnel ahead, don't enter. Pull over to the left, turn on hazard lights. If there's smoke or fire ahead once you're in the tunnel, stop on the left, turn off the engine and leave your vehicle. Leave the key or fob so that recovery agents can move your vehicle. Evacuate the tunnel on foot as quickly as possible. Follow the signs to walk out of the tunnel towards the nearest safe exit. Wait at the marked evacuation spot outside for help. Call for help using the SOS phones at the evacuation spot outside the tunnel. Follow instructions from the tunnel operator through public announcements. Fire extinguishers are beside emergency panels in the tunnels for use if needed. Traffic Wales, helping make journeys safer.